Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can complete the Unreachable Village quest chain. So chances are you've been stunned by the children and have woken up by the tent, and now once you've spoken to Shia, you then need to go ahead and talk to Arkin. So if you're looking for Shia, she's normally hanging out by a tree just here next to the tent. Once you've spoken with her, you will then get the quest to go ahead and talk to Arkin. If you're actively tracking the quest, you can see that the quest marker is to the east of us here. So the best thing that you can do from here is to mount up and head over there on your horse. So once you're over here, you're going to be looking for the kids. They're going to be hanging out at this edge of the cliff, and then we just need to go ahead and speak with Arkin. Once we've gone through the chat dialogue, we then need to play a mini game where we get the relic off often. Now for this part of the quest, you're going to be looking for this giant ant, and what you're going to need to do is climb him. This is not the easiest thing ever, and when he moves you will need to basically hold on tight. I find it's easiest to do this on his back legs and then climb up when the other leg is moving. Then once you reach the top, go ahead and just take it off his head, and be sure to jump off behind him so you don't take any crush damage as he walks forward. From there we simply need to go and hand in. Hand in is very simple. We just need to go back to Arkin, who was the child that gave us the quest at the beginning. And as you can see, once we've handed in, we then have the ability to enter the village. So there you are guys, really hope that tutorial helped. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.